In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Steam download cache. If your downloads keep stalling, updates won't start, or speeds drop to zero for no clear reason, refreshing the download cache is one of the quickest, safest fixes you can try. This process removes temporary download data that can get corrupted over time, and it won't delete your installed games or personal files. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is running, look to the very top left corner of the window for the Steam menu. Click that to open a small drop-down, then choose Settings. This opens a new window where you manage most of your app preferences. In the sidebar, find and click Downloads. This section contains options related to server regions, bandwidth limits, and download behavior. Now, scroll down within the Downloads page until you see the button labeled Clear Download Cache. Before you click it, a quick heads up. Clearing the cache will sign you out of Steam, and the app will restart as part of the process. That's completely normal. Make sure you're ready for that brief interruption and that you know your login details so you can sign back in afterward if prompted. Go ahead and click Clear Download Cache. A confirmation message will appear explaining that Steam will clear temporary content. Click OK to confirm. Steam will close and then relaunch on its own. When it comes back up, you may see the sign-in screen. That's expected after a cache clear. Once Steam has restarted, the temporary files that might have been causing your issue are gone. At this point, the kinds of problems this helps with include downloads stuck at a certain percentage, content file locked, or similar errors tied to temporary data and inconsistent speeds related to cached fragments. If you were in the middle of a download before, be aware that you'll likely need to start that download again from Steam's download section, but it should proceed more smoothly now. A couple of final tips. Clearing the download cache is safe to do periodically, especially if you install and update a lot of games. If you're on a metered internet connection, remember that any partially cached items will be re-downloaded cleanly after the reset. And if problems persist even after clearing the cache, that usually points to a different cause, such as network issues or drive permissions, which you can investigate separately. That's all there is to it. You've just refreshed Steam's download system in a few clicks.